Variation of fluid pressure with depth. You might have seen sea divers wearing specially designed suits while diving deep inside a sea. Do you know why they need this special suit? The pressure of water goes on increasing as you go deeper inside the sea. And at a certain depth, it becomes greater than the pressure inside our body. Hence, to withstand the pressure inside deep sea, divers wear special suits. Let us perform an activity to understand the variation of pressure with depth. Take a large bottle and make 3 identical holes along a straight line with the help of sharp nail. The holes should be such that the first hole is near the bottom of the bottle, second at the middle, and third near the neck of the bottle. Now, put a sticky tape on the holes so that water doesn't leak from them. Now fill the bottle with water. Remove the sticky tape from all the holes and observe the water coming out of each hole. You can see the difference in the trajectory of the water stream coming out of the 3 holes. It can be seen that water coming out of the hole near the bottom covers the greatest horizontal distance. This shows that the pressure at the bottom is the largest. The increase in pressure with depth can be well understood from the fact that pressure on us due to a fluid depends on the weight of the fluid above us. For this very reason, the pressure at sea level is higher than that in the mountain region, as the height of air column above us is longer at sea level than that in the mountain region. As we go deeper in the sea, the weight of the water above us goes on increasing, and hence the pressure also increases. Apart from the depth, h, the pressure exerted by a fluid also depends on its density, rho, and is given as P is equal to rho gh. Thus, a fluid with higher density will exert a greater pressure at given depth.